Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today, I will be showing you the Access Personal Accountant Appointment Tracking Database template. What you will need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder, so go ahead and hit Extract All. And now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. This is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that this database is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful to your computer, but I can assure you that this database is safe. Alright, so this is the Personal Accountant Appointment Tracking Database. It's great for keeping track of all of your appointments and all your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do Add New Client. Alright, so here's the client form, and for now I'm just going to fill out first and last name, an email, and an address. But as you can see, there's all sorts of other information that you can fill out, such as like phone numbers, picture, job title, notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history. Alright, so we'll create John Smith and email test@test.com, and then an address line. I'll just make one up. Alright, then we'll just hit Save and Close. So now that the client is in the database, we can now search for that client. Okay, and you can search by any of these criteria up here. I'll just search by last name though, and then click Search. And there's that client that we just created. So if you can double click it, and it will bring you back to the client form where you can edit any of this information or delete the client. And you can also export the search results to Excel. So it pulls all that information into a new workbook for you. Alright, and the next thing we're going to do is add an appointment to the database. So go to Calendar View. Alright, and this is today's date, June 15th, 2016. If you want to go backwards a day or forwards a day, just hit left or right arrows. And if you want to pick a specific day out of the year, just hit the up arrow and a mini calendar will appear. So this is the daily view. There's also a weekly view and a bi-weekly, month, and a month day. Okay, and to make the appointment, let's just double click on, let's just say noon. Alright, and here's the appointment form that we can fill out. So I'll just do the client that we just created, and then accountant, I'll just do accountant 1 for right now. And keep in mind that we can change any of this information, and I'll show you how to do that later. Same thing with this type box. Let's just do individual, and as you notice, the invoice amount goes up when I did that. So this was $50, so it's going to appear $50 right there. If I do group, it'll be $60 down here. And then location, location 1. And let's add a few notes to this appointment. And workers, you can add some more of those as well as payment information. And then you can change the start time and end time. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is. I'm just going to select a custom color for this appointment. Make this blue, and then hit Save and Close. Alright, and now this appointment will show up on the calendar with that same color. The reason why I just created a blue appointment was so that if you get a lot of appointments back to back, it's kind of hard to distinguish between when one appointment ends and another one begins. So as long as you have those appointments at different colors, it's real easy to distinguish, and it looks a little nicer. And you can also view the calendar by a certain accountant. So if you only want accountant 2's appointments, there you go. I haven't added any, so it should be blank. And accountant 1, there you go. Alright, so now that the appointment is in the database, we can search for that appointment. We can search by any of these criteria up here. I'll just search by accountant. So accountant 1 is what we used. And run search. So there's that appointment that we just created. From here you can double click it and view in the calendar form. There you go. or you can view an appointment form by selecting that and then double click it, and there's the appointment form. And you can edit any of this information or delete it if you want to. You can also export the search results to Excel again, or alloc calendar, or alloc task. You can also do a print detailed version. Show you what that looks like. And then you can also do a print summary version. Okay. That's pretty much all there is to the search function. So now let's take a look at maintenance lookups. So here's where we saw that drop down information in the appointment form. I know there was accountants and location and service type in there. Let's just change location. So location 3 will be changed to Ames, and let's add a location, so Roland. You can keep adding more and more. This asterisk will keep appearing, but we'll just keep it there for right now. And all this other information is found within the database somewhere. It's probably on the customer form or the client form. Might be a couple other places. And then hit close. And let's make sure that we did change the location. Make sure that did work. So if we make another appointment and then look at location, there you go. Location 3 changed to Ames, and we added Roland. Alright, another thing we'll take a look at is calendar setup. Here's where you can change all the parameters of the calendar, such as first day of the week. You can change that to whatever day you want. And you can change start time and end time. So there you go. And then calendar colors, we can change those as well. If you don't like the blue, you can change it to whatever you want. You want to make it a red. So something like that. Then hit save and close. And then reports. This is the last thing we'll take a look at. We'll have to create a start date and end date. So let's make it June 8th is the start date, and then the end date is 22nd, just so that appointment that we created earlier is within that time parameter. From here you can create print invoices, accounts receivable, or cash ledger. I'll just print the invoices. They all work the same, so I'll just show you how to do one of them. There you go. Yeah, like I said, that appointment was within the time parameter, so it will show up on the invoice as $60 and notes, a bunch of information. Alright, that's pretty much all there is to this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.